Look at my cold little nose. Oh my gosh, it's freezing outside. I'm very excited. I've finally been given the keys to our new apartment, which is why it's very echoey right now. I'm bummed because I'm the only one here. My husband also had a business trip at the exact same time this was all happening, but it's fine. It's all part of the process and also par for the course. Vincenzo is always somehow busy when we're moving. I'm just putting it out there. I'm not even talking bad about him. He says the same thing all the time. He's like, don't you think it's funny that every time we move, I have something that pops up and I leave? And I'm like, I think it's hilarious, but not really. So I'm gonna walk you through. It's a lot. I'm really excited to show it to you. And yeah, let's dive in. Let's take in this entry area. Can you even? That door is everything. It's so beautiful. It's so different than anything we've ever had before, and I love it. This is the entry to the garage. And can we just, I mean, I can't, the staircase. Oh my gosh, we'll get there. The staircase is pretty much what sold the place for me. Front door, garage door, closet door, and of course, our first bathroom right here. Did I say that the staircase sold the place? Maybe it was the kitchen. Is this kitchen gorgeous or what? Do you love these lights? The lights, the lights, the lights. I just found out about the lights a few minutes ago, which is why I'm like, I don't think I need the microwave. Do we need a microwave? Probably not. Our home in Florida has these open glass cabinets. I love that it's just a couple of them. It's very high pressure when you have that because it has to look so nice on the inside. So I love that it's just two. And I feel like this is going to be a little place to put my vlogging camera so I can talk to you. Okay, and then we have our little island here. So much storage, so much storage, so much storage. And of course, the cooler. We love the cooler. So this is just like such a vibey kitchen. I'm very excited about it. This is a refrigerator unlike anything I have seen before. And it's really, really nice. Moving on, got the living room. Lots of windows. I tried so hard to get here before the sun went down, but it did not work out. You'll have to trust me, the lighting is fabulous. You'll see it a lot. We have this gorgeous insert fireplace and shiplap, which I just learned about, and it really matches like the vibes of the doors throughout the place. So, so nice. And of course, we got our internet installed very quickly because that's how it works for us. But yeah, this is a very good sized living room. I'm excited about it. Obviously, we need sort of like a dining area to go in here as well. Still brainstorming as to what that looks like, so we make the best use of this space. I have been notorious about buying too big of a dining room table when I've been given the space to do that, and I kind of love that we can get a bit more creative in this room. So we'll see what happens. Let's go upstairs because staircase, right? I have never had an open railing staircase before. And I'm so excited that it's the holidays right now because I feel like that's exactly what you need during the holidays, is a place to wrap garland and lights. Just garland and lights, all the garland and lights. So, shall we? We are heading up to the first level of bedrooms and starting with the master. Really, really nice size master. We've got a balcony here. Hello. Hello. The vent comes on automatically with the lights, so sorry for the sound. Good sized bathroom. Water closet non-existent, but oh well. And the shower. Look at that tile. Is that just gorgeous, gorgeous tile? Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. I love just a nice clean marble. Really, really, really nice. And of course the floor to match. So matchy-matchy. I am the matchy-matchy type, so that is just a favorite for me. Got the walk-in closet over here. And I'm not gonna lie, I was actually really surprised to see built-ins because when we toured the place, it was not done yet. And I didn't realize they were gonna do this. And I'm feeling very good about it. It looks really, really good. Really nice, lots of good storage. And maybe Vincenzo will get like a shelf. All right, so we're gonna go down the hall. We've got washer dryer in here. Gorgeous, lovely. So now we have another balcony here. And look at this. With the nook, can you believe, look how much space this is. I don't even know if you realize. So much space. This is outside of the second bedroom here. Oh, I should turn the light on for you. So much space. So much space in this nook. I can't even, it's unbelievable. So it was funny because I was like, oh, well, this is outside of Bianca's bedroom. Maybe we'll put like a play area here. Absolutely not, because look at this bedroom. This is the biggest nursery in the history of nurseries, okay? There is no reason for a separate play area because there's so much room for activities here. Like, absolutely no reason for it to happen outside of here. And look at this closet. I mean, it's a really good sized closet. And again, with the built-ins, it's gonna be so nice organizing her clothes in here. I'm just like shocked because I felt like this was gonna be really heavy lifting for me to figure out how I wanted the closets organized, and it's kind of done. So I'm very excited about that. Second full bathroom. Again, with the automatic vent. Totally didn't see that coming. Here we are. Beautiful tile. Again, gorgeous. A little bathtub for Bianca. And then the staircase again. Again with the staircase. Would show you the balcony, but it's dark out, so there's really no point. Let's go up to the third floor. And this is really the third bedroom, and as you can tell, we're approaching carpet because my voice is less echoey. Let's get our lights on here. Nice big loft, third floor. It's a bedroom, it's an office, it's like, I don't 100% know what this situation is, but what could we do with it? It's like supposed to be, I don't know what it's supposed to be. I'm just like trying to brainstorm. Like, what is this? It's like a display case, but it's big enough for humans. So you could make it into like a reading nook, but look at how big it is. Like, what do I do with this? I don't know. I don't know that I'm gonna be given the choice. Anyway, let me turn the other light on because I think we're going to obviously put a guest bed up here, probably in this vicinity. So it's gonna be like the most enormous nightstands ever. Or something. Like, yes, you could, if there's a bed here, you could set your glass of water on there. And also sit on it like a bench. It's fascinating. I'm still trying to decide, but I think we're gonna put a bed up here and we'll put an office in this spot here because what else do you do with that space? It's kind of like awkward off the side, but it's also really nice and really big. Great for a desk, great for really a few things. Tons of light comes through those windows. And then there's a half bath up here, which is so awesome for a guest that's staying. Very, very nice access. So yes, this is the only carpet in the place and I love it. I love it. All right, now, let me go down my beautiful staircases again. Because we missed my favorite spot. And I'm gonna show you the basement. Oh my gosh, I miss having a basement. Florida life is the no basement life. So, utilities. Look at how much room there is down here. I'm just blown away. Like, so many things we could do. So many things we could do, but I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be my lady cave. Like, Amy's building a lady cave and she's excited about it. We're not 100% sure what it means yet, but we're definitely excited about it. And there's so many little closets. So, my father-in-law gave me the idea that this would be a really good spot for wine storage. So we're thinking that, you know, because we need additional wine storage. This closet, we've got here, great storage, and another one here. Okay, so I'm just gonna say this, great storage. I mean, obviously, like, how perfect is this for hanging, like, winter coats when it's summer and just getting everything out of the way? But I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool if we used one of these closets, probably this one. That one, it feels like a waste of space because that one has some good shelving in there for storage. But what if we use this and make it an audio booth? Oh my gosh, that would just make my whole podcasting life. I think that would be so fun. Still trying to figure out if I can get away with that. And of course, we have a powder room. Okay. I think this is just gonna be my own little personal powder room, I gotta say. Okay, like, could you see this? Like, this is my powder room here, and then we come out here, and I have like an audio studio there, and then we build a set down here. Should we build a set down here? I think we should. I think we should have a nice, simple, easy set where you could literally just either hang out or make a video. I think it'd be great, especially if it's not blurry. Oh, this floating floor. Look how beautiful. I love these planks so much. I call them planks. I mean, whatever they're called. This is beautiful wood flooring. Okay, the vent needs to seriously be turned off. Okay, saw it here first, folks. Literally first, folks. Okay, they were finishing a lot of stuff today. I was here earlier when it was daytime. They were still finishing things up. It's brand new. No one's ever lived in it. There's probably still gonna be little quirks, things that happen when we're breaking it in. But it's so pretty, and I love it. Look at this kitchen. I need to make things. I need to make things. Hold on, I wanna try something out. Good morning. Like I said, I think this is like a perfect place to put a camera. Right here. I love it. I love it. With the lights and the staircase. Can you imagine if I have like my, what's this called? Garland, my lights up here for the holidays. Oh my gosh, I'm thrilled. I love it. I'm very excited. It's a beautiful place, and I think it's gonna be really nice, especially when we get somewhere to sit. Okay. That's the house tour. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Vlogmas. I have got a lot of work to do here. I gotta move some things in. I didn't bore you with the garage. There's some stuff in the garage I gotta get in. And I think we're gonna actually start officially moving tomorrow when Vin gets back in town. And we've got some more manpower because I refuse to do it all. And I gotta go so I can feed my kid too. So that's it. I'm so pumped. I'm excited to bring you on this journey as we unpack and move in and start living life here. So stay tuned for that. Bye.